Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, let me go back, here we need to scroll down and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll and find more security settings. And here scroll down and find Clear Credentials option. Let's tap on it. Tap on Remove, enter your screen lock to confirm everything. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.